Well, hello there. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. So the government shutdown is affecting a lot of people. Folks are being required to work without getting paid, and now a lot of SNAP benefits are supposed to go away. That means it's going to affect children all over the country and everybody. And that includes families, not just children, that are in jeopardy of losing their benefits. So I went on a couponing mission yesterday, thanks to Torek Couponing. I'll leave her link below. I actually did a short on it yesterday that you can look at and see what I'll show you what I got also. But I want to show you where you can donate this stuff. It's a great movement, and it's from the same people that started the free little library. So join me on today's adventure, and I'll show you what you can do to help. It's called Little Free Pantry. You go to littlefreepantry.org, and then we're going to go over here to locations so I can show you the map. There's the map. And then look at all these all over the country. There's mostly in the Midwest and the East, but if I zoom in, anyway, there's all these different ones that you can click on all over the country. And I found one that's near my house, so I'm going to go over there today and drop off some stuff that I got from couponing. Now the ones that you could go to, you could drop off anything. You could drop off food, personal products. The stuff I got yesterday was pretty much personal products, so I'll show you what I got. But this is a great way to help out, and it's a pantry along the side of the road, so people could just take what they want, kind of like the book thing that I showed you, which I'll leave a link below so you can see what I'm talking about. The free little library has been great, and anyone can use it. So let me show you what I got, and then we'll take a ride up there and drop everything off. Okay, so yesterday I got $52 worth of things for $11.98. I did keep a couple of things for myself, along with some candy for my husband, but this is what I have that I'm going to donate, that I got from that haul, and I'm going to see if I have any like canned goods or something that we don't use that have been sitting there forever that I can also donate. So this is what we're working with, so we're hitting the road next. All right, I made it, and now, oh, I see a food pantry. There's a lady up there, so I am going to donate. There's a lady already there. Cool. Very cool. So this is what the food pantry looks like. It's exactly like the little library, but it says free little pantry. And so most of the stuff is food, as you can see. And then I'll just add my stuff to it and leave it here. It's nice to see that people are donating. Now granted, mine is other stuff besides food, but I'm sure there are people that could use this stuff. All right, so I made my contribution of obviously not food, but there's, some canned goods. So I think the next time I go to the grocery store, I'm gonna buy a bunch of like mac and cheese and stuff like that, and ramen that I can come back and donate to. So it's a great idea. So now I just close it up. Make sure you lock it. And there you go. So it's called a blessing box. Oh, they're calling it a blessing box. Take what you need, leave what you can. And free little pantry. Great idea. So I absolutely love this idea. It's not super far from my house. They're easy to find on that map that I showed you on the computer. And again, it's the same kind of thing as the free library, but instead of books, it's food. And you can leave and you can take as you need. So it's not embarrassing. I mean, some people are embarrassed by getting benefits or what. Don't be embarrassed. If you need it, you need it. Just go and donate and go and get it if you need it. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. I've got 2 more coming up this week. if all goes well. So I'll see you next time. Bye.